Getting started with Recooty. Go to Recooty.com. Click on Sign Up. Enter your name and other details. Click on Create Free Account. This is your dashboard. Confirm your email and continue. Now, you just need to integrate the widget on your careers page. Click on the notification. If you have a WordPress website, download this plugin and go to your WordPress's admin panel. Here, you need to click on Add New under Plugins section. Click on Upload Plugin. Drag and drop the zip file and click on Install Now. Click on Activate Plugin and then you'll get a list of plugins. Go to Settings under Recooty Plugin. Copy the key from your dashboard and paste it here. Click on Save. Now, copy this shortcode and go to Careers page and paste the shortcode here. Click on Update and Recooty will be successfully integrated on your WordPress website. Or, if you have a custom website, copy this code from your dashboard and go to your file editor. Edit your website's careers page and paste this code under Body section. Click on Save and Recooty will be successfully integrated on your custom website. Now, you just need to post jobs openings according to your requirements. Enter job title, responsibilities, and location. Click on Next. Enter desired skill sets and experience. Click on Finish to publish your job opening. Hooray! Your job openings have been published, and you can also share it on social media to get 10 times more job applications. On your website's career page, you'll see the numbers of job openings you've posted, and candidates can directly apply for the job easily. From your dashboard, click on New Applications, and you'll see all the details of the candidates who have applied for the jobs. You can download resume, shortlist, or reject as per your requirements. The best part is, we have integrated Recooty with Google Job Board, so when candidates search for job openings at your location in Google, your job openings are shown at the top. Recooty has made the lives of 1,000 plus human resource managers easier. Integrate it today to become 10 times productive by hiring smartly.